was there nobody else in the Congress party? Because this allegation of dynasty will become now much stronger. Here was a great opportunity of looking beyond the family. And, you know, in today's day and age, perhaps it would have sent a better signal if the Congress party had looked beyond one family.
You are looking in a different direction. Okay. We are looking after the sentiments of the Wayanad people.
Okay.
We don't want they should feel sad, you know, because Rahul ji has to vacate, according to the law, one seat. When Wayanad helped him, now the Priyanka ji is also waiting. She was supposed to contest. Fortunately, unfortunately, she was on the fighting mode with the Honorable Prime Minister of the country, who was misleading and misinforming the whole country. So she was
fighting the election against...
No, she was not fighting. She was
fighting the election against the Prime Minister?
She was not fighting against the Prime Minister, but she was debating with him on all the platforms. She was touring against him. She was convincing about...
So you are positioning Priyanka against Modi?
No, we are positioning not Priyanka against Modi. You don't confuse, you know.
I'm asking you, are you positioning Priyanka?
You should know in our country who's elder. Rahul ji is elder or Priyanka is elder? Tell me one thing. And who is the brother and who is the bae? We have
who's the brother and who's the
sister?
So why, what does brother sister have to do with it? You mean brothers get the first chance? This is a very wrong, I think it's a sexist point. Shazia, this is wrong. Elder, you first said... No, you started by saying who is the older, who is younger, and you follow it up by saying... No, you started by saying... ऐसी बातें नहीं करते. You'll have to take back what you said out here. Shazia, because you said who is elder, who is younger, who's the brother and who's the sister. यानी कि the elder brother gets the first chance and the younger sister comes second. उसके साथ-साथ आपने बोला we are taking care of the sentiments of people of Wayanad, which means Vadra Gandhi family is first class, everybody is second class. I'm sorry, no. They have sacrificed. 1 minute. Shazia is responding at 4 on the debate, please. Shazia.
So first of all, say that on this day, it happens to be Bakrid, Eid al-Zuha. Voters of Wayanad are the actual sacrificial lambs today. And this has been decided by the royal family, so to speak, the first family, the family that believes that it is a chosen one. I heard Ramesh ji, I also learned that besides the idea of dynastic succession, you also believe in the idea of primogeniture, which means a firstborn should be there to get UP, to get the better deals, so to speak, and to be coronated. It is not just sexist, but it is so flawed, the whole idea. And also I feel very bad for people of Wayanad, जो बलि के बकरे बन गए हैं, sacrificial lambs that they've become, and how they've been used and abandoned. So when UP rejected Rahul Gandhi, it was the voters of Wayanad who welcomed him and won him to MPship. Second time around too. But now they're just waiting to serve the Nehru, Gandhi, Vadra family. आप आओ, आप जाओ, फिर से आओ, अपनी बहन को भेजो, हम तैयार हैं। हमारा कोई और मकसद नहीं है, बस सिर्फ आपके परिवार को, भाई बहनों को जिताना। Just imagine, they talk about democracy, खतरे में है. The whole idea is antithetical to the spirit of democracy. That there will be mummy, beta, beti, all पूरी तरह से. Power is a birthright, and we will have it, no matter what. Why? Because descendants of Nehru, Gandhi, Vadra family. That's it. And it is shocking. I mean, I can understand, you know, when it's Nehru or Vijay Lakshmi Pandit or Indira Gandhi, the Phulpur constituency, and then the Raebareli. But in this time and age, it is still going on. This whole dance of dynasty, this resurgence, I find it really shocking. And I really feel bad. कि ईद के मौके पर, बकरीद के मौके पर कैसा बलि का बकरा बनाया आपने वायनाड के लोगों को। जब यूपी ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया, तब तो भागे गए, तब तो साउथ इंडिया के लोग तो बहुत सुपीरियर होते थे। People of Kerala were definitely more evolved and better people, and now how they've been dumped. Not just that, just see how sexist this whole thing is, that now that he's won from both, the sister will be relegated to the less politically relevant constituency of Kerala, because
that is their internal business. That can be seen to be their internal business, but again, I want to give you a chance, because I think you did not mean it like that. I know him for some time. Usually he's not so sexist. He said you should know who is elder and who is younger, Sangeeta Ragi ji. And then he followed up, you should also know who is the brother and who is the sister.
No.
Sister you said or something else? Sister.
No.
Which means brother should get first chance, which means first the male gets the chance, then women come in,
The
and
family is
an elder
incomplete,
male
Arnav.
has the first right. You should take it back.
Arnav,
to
the
Sangeeta
family
Ragi.
is incomplete.